JBL Tune 770NC versus Sony WH-CH720N. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna give you a detailed comparison between these two headphones. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So if we talk about some of the features and the specifications of both of these, and if we want to see which is better in which segment, then you need to have this table. So over here, first we talk about the type, then both of these are over ear, which has type. So next we have the driver size. So JBL Tune has 40 mm of the driver size, whereas Sony has only 30 mm. So here JBL Tune wins. Frequency response is 20 Hertz or 20 kilohertz in both of these, so it is a tie. The impedance is 32 ohms in JBL Tune, whereas it is 35 in Sony WH. So here the JBL Tune wins. If we talk about the sensitivity, then the JBL Tune has 100 dB of the sensitivity, whereas the Sony has 102, in which Sony wins. If we talk about the battery life, which is quite important. So if we talk about the battery life, then the battery life in the JBL Tune is up to 35 hours, and in Sony it is also up to 35 hours. So in the battery department, both of these wins. Let's talk about the charging time. So these two are also the important factor for purchasing a headphone. So in the JBL Tune, you need to keep it on for about 2 hours, whereas for Sony you will have to wait for at least 3.5 hours. So you just have to charge the Sony for a longer period of time than that of JBL Tune. So in this department the JBL Tune wins obviously. Then we have the quick charge. So which one of these gets quick charge? So it charges in only 5 minutes for 2 hours playback time, and it takes 10 times. The Sony one takes 10 times, so 10 minutes. So here the JBL Tune is winner. Next we have the active noise cancellation and the ambient sound mode and microphone. So both of these has these three features. Now the next important factor is the Bluetooth version. So the JBL Tune provides you the 5.0 Bluetooth version, whereas the Sony has the 5.2. So here the Sony gets slight edge than that of the JBL. So here the Sony WH wins. Next we have these features like wireless range, multi-point connection, voice assistant integration, app support. So both of these application has these features. Next, if we talk about weight, so weight also a very important part. So in the JBL Tune we have the 220 grams of weight, whereas in the Sony we have only 192 grams of weight. So here Sony wins. If we talk about the colors, so color availability also matter for some people. So if you like black and blue color, so you can get both of these. You can get any of these in the black and blue color, but if you want to get the white color, then you will not be able to get the white color in JBL Tune. Then you need to go for Sony. If we talk about the price range, then both comes in the mid range segment. So here it also get tie. So the table is in front of you. The final decision I leave it on you. You can go through this table, and according to the specifications you can decide which one would you want to buy. If you want to ask me, then according to my preferences I would definitely go for the JBL Tune 770NC. I will put both of these best purchasing links down in the description, so you can check out the description for the better offers. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.